Which AI image tool is best? Let's test 5 popular tools with one prompt. If you've ever wanted to create stunning images using AI but didn't know where to start, this video is just for you. You've probably heard of ChatGPT for text and maybe seen tools like Google AI Studio, Leonardo AI, Canva AI, and Meta AI. And if you're into animated or cartoon-style art, you might have come across Picluma AI too. But here's the big question. How do these tools actually perform when given the same image prompt? Which one creates the best visual output? And most importantly, which tool is right for you? In today's video, we'll test 5 AI image generators side by side using a single clear prompt. You'll get to compare their style, speed, quality, and ease of use all in one place. Step 1. Write a clear prompt. Before using any tool, the key is writing a good prompt, simple but descriptive. While ChatGPT can help craft prompts, today we'll do it ourselves. Prompt we'll use. Create an image of a happy 6-year-old boy wearing a red shirt and white pants going to school on a busy metro city street. Other children are also heading to school, but he stands out clearly. This gives the AI enough detail, character, clothing, setting, and emotion to visualize accurately. Step 2. Test the prompt across 5 AI image generators. Number 1. Picluma AI. About the tool, Picluma AI is great for colorful, animated, or cartoon-style images. It's free, easy to use, and perfect for beginners, educators, or storytellers. How to use. Google Picluma AI Image Generator. Log in with Gmail. Paste your prompt and click Generate. Result, you'll get a bright, soft cartoon-style image. The red shirt stands out and the boy looks expressive and joyful, perfect for kid-friendly content. Number 2, Leonardo AI. About the tool, Leonardo AI is known for high-detailed, cinematic-styled visuals. It's popular with artists, game designers, and professionals. How to use. Sign in at leonardo.ai. Go to Image Generation. Paste the same prompt and generate. Result? Expect a detailed, dramatic image. The boy looks realistic with rich lighting, perspective, and city textures. Great for concept art or storytelling visuals. Number 3, Google AI Studio. About the tool, Google AI Studio is fast, user-friendly, and built for clean, clear output. Powered by Google's AI models, it's great for educational or content creators. How to use? Go to Google AI Studio. Select the image generation tool. Paste your prompt and generate. Result, you'll see a well-lit, realistic image. It's simple, balanced, and clean, ideal for professional or informational projects. Number 4, Canva AI. About the tool, Canva AI is built right into the Canva design platform. It lets you create images and instantly use them in social media posts, videos, or slides. How to use? Log into canva.com, type AI image generator in the search bar. Paste your prompt and generate. Results, the image has a soft, polished look. It fits well in creative layouts and can be edited right away, perfect for marketers, teachers, or casual creators. Number 5, Meta AI. Imagine with Meta AI is the latest player focusing on fast and imaginative generation using advanced meta models. It's integrated with meta platforms like Facebook and Instagram. How to use? Search for Imagine with Meta AI or access through Meta's AI Labs. Log in with your Meta account. Paste the same prompt and hit Generate. Result, you'll get a creative, vibrant image with sharp character focus. The boy appears energetic with clear city elements. It feels like a mix between realistic and artistic, suitable for social sharing or visual storytelling. Step 3. Compare the results. We're comparing the first 4 AI-generated images. All are impressive and align well with the prompt. However, Leonardo AI produced a cartoon-style image, while the other tools generated realistic visuals of a 6-year-old boy. Due to this difference, Leonardo AI ranks at number 5. Now, let's focus on the remaining 4 images to determine the best among them. In the Canva AI image, the main boy is shown from the front, but the other boys are walking away, viewed from the back. Since the prompt emphasized that all children, including the main boy, are going to school together, this inconsistency places Canva AI at number 4. The image from Google AI Studio also falls short in representing school-going children. The background shows people of various sizes rather than children, making it less accurate. Therefore, Google AI Studio ranks at number 3. Now, the real competition is between Picluma AI and Meta AI. Meta AI's image clearly shows other boys heading to school in the background, adding realism. In contrast, Picluma AI's background figures are blurry and indistinct. Based on this, Meta AI takes the top spot at number 1, with Picluma AI at number 2. We'd love to hear your feedback on this ranking. One standout feature of Meta AI is its ability to animate the images it creates. Still, with carefully tailored prompts, all tools can produce outstanding results. Overall, each tool performed well and is available for free image generation. While there are many other AI tools out there, we focused on those offering completely free features for this test. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more informative videos like this one.